Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the TIGERSGATE 12 inches Sportster Handlebar Extended Kit, designed specifically for 2014 to 2021 Harley non-ABS Iron XL models. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation, featuring a CAN bus wiring harness, front turn signal wiring harness, brake line, clutch cable, throttle cable, and idle cable, all crafted for front single-disc brake models. The extended length of these components ensures a perfect fit for your taller handlebars or risers, eliminating the hassle of searching for individual parts and significantly reducing installation time. Made from durable stainless steel braided materials, these cables not only enhance the look of your bike but also provide a smooth and flexible riding experience, ensuring safety and longevity. Installation is straightforward, as these are direct replacements for stock wires and cables, but we highly recommend professional installation to ensure everything is set up correctly. Remember, this is a custom aftermarket item, so while it fits the listed models, some modifications may be necessary, and we're always here to assist you with any questions through AMZ messages. Thanks for watching, and ride safe. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.